Hello guys, in this video tutorial I would like to explain the use of pivot table and Microsoft Excel. Uh, this is a powerful function which you can use for different purposes like calculating monthly mean temperature, monthly extreme temperature maximum values or monthly minimum extreme, or you can calculate the count, monthly count, or some monthly, some are yearly, some yearly extreme values and different field of your study or research. So in this lecture particularly we will talk about calculating extreme values, monthly and annual extreme precipitation. So let's move to the lecture properly, that how we can do this. This is the data. I would like to explain this data first. This is there are 6 columns in this data set. In fact, there are 4 columns in their data sets. The first one is year, the second one is month, and the third one is day. So this means that the second row here is the first day of January 1961. The second day is the third row is the second day of January 1961. This is year, this is month January, and this is day. And then you can see the values. On the first January 1961, there was 0 millimeter rainfall, and on the second day there was 17.8 millimeter rainfall. On the third day of January in 1961, there was 11.7 millimeter rainfall. So this is about the precipitation or rainfall data, and this start from 1961, from the very first day of January till the last day of December 2017. So this is 57 years data. We will calculate monthly maximum precipitation and annual maximum precipitation. This means that maximum value in each month we will collect that data, and we will collect annually maximum precipitation in each year. So we will have, for monthly we will have 684 values, and for annual we will have 57 values, which will be the maximum in the month for the first data and in the year for the second data. If you do this manually, that should be quite hard. You can do this in maybe other language like R, Python, and ArcGIS, maybe in other software. But Microsoft Excel can provide very easy and efficient solution by using pivot table. Okay, this was about data. Now I would like to explain these two serial number. This serial number is for calculating monthly maximum precipitation, and this is for annual maximum precipitation. This means that you need, if you want to calculate monthly maximum precipitation or monthly minimum precipitation or monthly average precipitation, whatever you want to do on monthly basis, you need to assign a unique number to each month, because pivot table will look at the number and calculate accordingly the maximum minimum temperature, maximum precipitation, minimum, or whatever you want. If you assign this unique number to 2 months, pivot table will calculate for both months the same one value for both month, and then there will be some problem with because you are interested in monthly and there is 2 monthly, so you should be careful about this. Now I'm explaining that how I assign these numbers. This is just simple. I'm just doing this. I will delete this because I have already this. You just start from 1 and you need to drag this until the 31st of January 1961. No. Okay, like here. So this is January, and now it's to for February. I'm explaining this because this is simple, but you need to take careful about the leap years. 3, and this is 2, now 3. This is 3 March, now April, then May, May, and then June. You will think this is difficult. It's not difficult. You need to do this for 1 year, and then I will explain how you can do for the remaining. So you need to do this completely for 1 year manually, and then you need some manipulation to do for the other years. That is simple. You will do this. You will see this is not that difficult. It's August, September, and October, then November, this is November and December. 12, 12, 12. Okay, so this is until December. Now I need the value 13. You should look that here. You should look that this is G column and second row. So this means this value is G2. Remember this point. Now just go back. Okay, now I need 13 because I need to assign definite number to each month. So I need to assign to the first month of the 62 13 number. So this I can do like this. G2, and remember that the value G2 not G1. The value was 1 there, and then plus 12. So you will get 13. Remember that G2 value is 1 because we started from 1 and 12. So this will add 12 and you will get 13 for the first month. Then the G2 value as for the second month is 2. So 2 plus 12 will get 14 for the next month for the February 1962. And then the G2 value, the G value is then 3. 3 plus 12, 15 is for March. Just hit the enter and let's do this. So this you can do this with for all months, and let's see the last month of 1962 whether this, if the last month is correctly assigned with the serial number, then it's okay. Then no issue with the okay. So this is the start. You can see that December is start from here 1962 and this is 24 correct. You should be careful about the leap year. So let's see, the leap year is 63 is not leap year. So however, let's check whether it is correctly started. Start from here and this start from, okay, this is, and you can see 36 start from 36 correct. However, you can see this is 1964 and this is also correctly start from 37. Let's see, because here the February will be 20. This is February is of 29 days. Remember that still the value start earlier from 39 because in the first year we assign serial number to 28 days. The second year that is okay, no problem. The third year that is okay, no problem. In the fourth year, the month, this is a leap year and there is 29. So they started according to those years earlier, which was 28. February of 28, they started from 39 from the new month, but this is not new. You need to correct this. So you complete the 4 years 61, 62, 63, 64, and each fourth year is a leap year. So when you complete this 4 year, then you can just do. I mean that I will show you how you can do further. Just need to do one step and you will do for the remaining whole duration. You need to do this, convert this to 38 because this is due to the leap year 38, and similarly you need to convert this to 39 because there is problem in each. month then, because there is problem in 1 month, so that create problem in each month. This is 39, 40, sorry, 40. The next one will be 42, will be 41. That's true. The next one will be 43, will be 42, like this. Next one 44 will be 43, and next 45, the first 45 will be 44, like this. Next for the first 46 will be 45, and then first 47 will be 46. The first 48 will be 47, and this should be, I remember this should be 48. So now this is complete 4 years, correct, because you did some correction for the leap years. Now what you need to do, you do just what I did for the first year. Now you need to copy G1, G2, not G1. Remember that G1 has a value of 1. You can see this. Just note this. This is serial number 1463, so that we can come easily. G1, G2 has a value 1, and remember that what we need to do. Okay. Okay. We need a 49 value because this is 48. So 1 is here plus 48 with 49. And now just click on the corner when the plus sign is there. You corrected assign serial number for all the remaining years. So you need to do this until this, the first 4 years. You can check this and check whether the last month is started correctly or not. If the last month is started correctly, then everything is fine. Because the error can be here if there is error in the previous month. So now 2017 December 1st and started from 684. This means that you can check by the way in the middle as well, but the serial number assigned correctly. Similar you can do for annual, but for annual remember you need to assign one number to full year. You can see that month is 2 but year is going the same one because you are interested in annual statistics. You can see for the first year it will end now, and then the second start. So the two value, because you need to assign one because you are calculating, you are interested in the annual statistics, and so first year one, second two, and so on. And monthly, if you are interested in monthly, then you need to assign separate number to each month. So this was about the serial number. Now I need to delete this one. I don't need because I already have this. I have this. Now let's start the pivot table. Whatever, uh, where you can find the pivot table. Just click on the insert in Microsoft Excel, but you need to click in this, in this area where the data is, because they will select the domain. So insert on, click on insert, click on pivot table, and then from pivot table range. So automatically pivot table selected this range, and now they're asking that new worksheet. You want to create the pivot table in a new worksheet or the existing worksheet. I'm clicking on the existing worksheet, and just I need to show the location because here they are asking about the location. So I'm just doing this. I want to have my table here. Click. You will get like this. So this is the table, the sketch of the table, and here are the things you need to do. I'm interested in the monthly in this serial number, and this is serial number with 1 is per year. So I need to drag this to the rows. So this represent each month now. And then I'm interested in precipitation. Remember that I'm interested in the maximum precipitation, monthly maximum. So drag this under the values. Remember, if you have more variables and you're interested, you need to drag this under the values, maybe 2, 3, or whatever. And then you can, how you can calculate those maximum precipitation monthly? Click on this. Then at the bottom, there is value field setting. Click on that. You will see different options: sums, count, average, max, minimum, product, count number, standard deviation, population, variance population, many things are there, but I'm interested in this one. You can calculate any one of them. Just click on this, you will get, this is the table. If you have more variables, you need to drag those variables as here and just do the same thing which I did with this precipitation, maximum of precipitation. So this is your table now. This is your table. You can draw graphs and you can do whatever you want. Just go to the insert and plot a graph to see how this look like. Okay, this look like this. The precipitation is look like this. This is monthly maximum precipitation at a particular meteorological station. And now I would like to come to the annual maximum precipitation. The same thing you can do, but just only change this serial number because this is assigned to each year, a separate number. Again, click here and then go to insert and click on pivot table and then from pivot table range. So the range is selected and now range is this. Now they say new worksheet or existing worksheet. So I'm interested in the existing worksheet. I need to show the location where I need this table. This table will be created here. Just click on OK. Again, you got the same things and the table is here. By the way, the sketch is here at the table. Now this one, because I'm interested in the annual maximum precipitation, and this here the same thing. Click on this, you will see and the bottom there is value field setting, and again I'm interested in the maximum. You can do anything in this list. So I got the table for maximum, annual maximum precipitation as well. You want to see, just draw the graph and you will see, just go to insert and the line graph and this. So it's interesting, nice graph. There is a look like a trend in the maximum annual maximum precipitation, and the data is for 57 years, so you can write the number of years. You can change maybe some next time. I will do this in the next lecture.